The Morgan Midsummer by Pininfarina is a stunning homage to the automotive designs of the 1930s and 40s, featuring elongated rear tails that exude a classic charm. Yet it's not just about looks. This vehicle replaces the conventional windshield with sleek aero screens reminiscent of vintage barchettas, enhancing both aesthetics and aerodynamics. As you gaze into those enlarged round headlights, you'll notice they cleverly integrate turn signals and daytime running lights, a nod to contemporary needs. The wheels? Pure artwork. Disc-like and designed for smoother airflow, they're wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 5 tires on 19-inch forged wheels, which are not only lighter by about 6.6 pounds compared to the standard Plus 6, but weigh just 22 pounds each. Inside, the commitment to craftsmanship continues with over 126 layers of teak adorning the dashboard, each door card featuring 120 layers. This isn't just for beauty, it's about durability, creating an interior that withstands the test of time. Under the hood, while specifics remain under wraps, the heart likely beats with the same rhythm as the BMW B58 engine, a turbocharged 3-liter inline-six with 335 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque, paired with a ZF 8-speed automatic transmission. This beauty isn't just a collector's dream, but a performer too, potentially faster than the regular model, which clocks 62 mph in 4.2 seconds.